dear ones. I've been standing here for a minute waiting for cars to go by. Again, I can't emphasize this is not a big road. Good morning. It's 60 degrees out right now. The high will be 69. Wait for a car. Time to do some chores, some things, not too much. Today, I'd rather just bag everything and go have breakfast with a loved one. Cold weather makes me like to go out and eat. All my relationships in the past, I don't know, 20, 30 years, it's always, let's go eat on the weekends, or let's go eat when the weather's cool, or I do love to eat breakfast. I look down for a moment and see a spider web. I really do need to get on these guys. No, stop it. All right. This is looking so lovely this morning. I can see that the flowers are getting kind of tired, and I believe I'm supposed to pinch them off. But they're still so vibrant, aren't they? Can you see? I'm sorry. Yeah, so vibrant. I should get this planted. Should need to decide where. This color scheme is looking so pretty, accidentally, of course, and I know that you may chuckle on these bougainvillea, like, where are the rest of the blooms? But they're what I've got. Considering I was gone and making excuses for myself, considering I was gone, considering I wasn't able to monitor the water or the condition of the plants. Did I mention to you yesterday that these are getting ready to bloom? And these will not look orange like they do now, like this dark orange. Sorry, that's the trumpet vine. These will turn a beautiful salmon. I picked up some drip irrigation. I haven't used, this is Rainbird from Home Depot. I haven't used these before. I've certainly used Rain Drip. I didn't want to go to another store. So I'll be trying to get this done. It doesn't need water today. It rained yesterday, but you know, once I leave and go back to Washington in under a month, I'll need to have that done anyway, so I'll need to have some sort of, so I'm thinking a sprinkler coming out over everything rather than lines to all the individual little pots. Because they're so small, it's hard to irrigate these little guys. I mean, it's hard to not overwater the little guys. I went and changed clothes. I had some stretchy black pants on, and I went and changed clothes because I remember what this does, and I am going to trim this down today. Famous last words, but that is my intent. Oh, there's a butterfly on the lantana now. Let's see, he's way over there. Oh, there he is. Hello, little butterfly. It may be sunny, but it's also very cool, very, very comfortable, and I have no excuse not to come out here and do some work, though I would rather go eat breakfast somewhere. And again, on my list, every day I keep moving it to the next day, is attempt to clean up these, at least give it, just try a few and see how I can get that done. The pavers, sorry. I might say, let's get to work, but I'm still not feeling it. Hopefully I will get something done today, though. Stay tuned. See you in a bit. is getting too big, the runners, so I'm trying to, you know, I want the butterflies to have food too, but it's expanded from 2 small plants to quite a bit. Let me move you a little bit out of the sun here, see if I can't keep my camera from shutting off in the heat. That's from last year, I guess. Man, that's hard. Ouch. My hand hurts. Whew, that might be one of the original plants there. Oh well, they'll grow back. So fun. Irrigation. I guess you see my little buddy, don't you? He's not too happy with me. He's got plenty of places to go hide. I gotta get in there, bud. You're silly. That's just it. You're just silly. You don't always have to be where I am. You know? Yeah, you better take off. So I'm cutting here. I don't know if you were back here. I wondered about it. Where'd he go? I guess you guys know better than I do. I have a bee in my ear. Hope I don't get stung by some dissatisfied customers. So this is what I want to do in the center. Like this one's running. Kind of a dispersal. Well, that was a bit of a surprise. Right here, I got stung. Not with my gloves on either. I was taking the Gregg's Mist debris through the house. I hate doing that, but you know, my back gate's blocked off, and I'd taken my gloves off, and I was going out the door and carrying it, and I could feel something stinging, literally, I guess, stinging. I was like, oh, what is it? I'm poking something. And then I look, and it was a bee stuck to my thumb. I must have put my thumb right on one of the last of the Gregg's Mist blooms that he was enjoying, pollinating, and ow. So I think I'm not allergic. I think I've only been stung once before by a bee. I got into a nest of wasps once when I was young. That was awful. Huh. So that spread quite a bit. I've only had 2 plants there, 2 small plants, probably in a little quart container is what I planted a couple years ago, and it's been spreading and spreading. I hope those aren't seeds. These things. I hope these aren't seeds. If they are, I don't know what I'll be doing. I got them everywhere on me. I can't have anything happen to this hand. It was getting hard to, you know, I'm gonna have to get through surgery and explain how this is not a problem. I've only got 2 more days, and day after tomorrow, I hope this clears, because, you know, doctors will say, well, I'm not gonna do surgery on that hand, it looks so wounded. And I'm like, nah, it's a long time ago, it was over a week. All right, so sprinklers, I think, would be next. Over that, sort of that weird little garden I have in the middle, it was quite dead space, so. And those castle rocks are already here on the property. They were surrounding a tree in front, an oak tree, so I'm not sure how these work. These each have a different kind of feature, so I just want to try them out. I only have 1 water thing coming into this general area. I didn't want to do a lot of holes. I might have to. Let's see, this is what, a down spray staked 360. Let's try this one out. I've got to hang on to my guy here. I didn't put a very long spaghetti line in here, maybe I should have. Sorry, this is all from allergies. What do we got here? Another. Again, I've never used Rainbird products. I'm familiar with Rain Drip and not Rainbird. I don't want to drop my line, and I'm going to have to. Okay, what's happening here? What is all this? Why is this tied together? Because it kind of controls, you know, the end of my line. Like, if my line comes right here, I have to have this kind of. Well, that doesn't seem very high at all. Huh. Well, let's see what it does. What do we got here? It's not gonna take care of what I need, is it? If it were up higher, you know, if it were higher, no, that's not gonna do it. Huh, I need a rotary. Okay, let's do this one. Ugh. Shoot, my hand is just not working for this job. Oh man, that hurts. That spaghetti line, I might have to change it. I'm being so lazy right now. Okay. All right, let's try this. Get that cord in there. I don't know. It's not high enough, is it? Well, you know what? It is getting all the pots. It is actually getting all the pots. It's not super ideal, but we're going into winter. We're not having 100-degree days anymore, as long as they get any kind of water at all. I have cut the water down to 10 minutes. Generally, oh, I like that. Everything got water in the rain yesterday, so nothing's really dry. Think about my little yellow grouping. I think it was just an accident, but there they are together. Whatever pots didn't have something in them. Cute, huh? It's very festive. Thanks for joining me out here in the garden. Talk to you soon. Bye.